Welcome to Armour DS Ltd, where your journey to the perfect garage door begins. Our showroom is thoughtfully designed to showcase the extensive range of garage doors we offer. With 3 generations of industry expertise, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and requirement. You'll see our traditional up and over garage doors, a timeless choice that seamlessly blends practicality with classic design. We also offer the convenience of our remote-controlled garage doors, so you can effortlessly access your garage with a simple push of a button. Our sectional garage doors are available in an array of styles and finishes. Our vertically opening doors lift on a tracked rail system, creating a sleek and modern look for your property. But what truly sets our showroom apart is the hands-on experience we offer. Our showroom isn't just about displays. Touch and feel the materials and finishes, see working mock-ups of installations, and visualize how our doors can transform your space. Our knowledgeable staff are here to guide you, answering questions and providing insights to help you choose the right product for you. From classic to contemporary, and all with practicality and security built in. Visit our showroom today and witness the quality and innovation that define Armour DS Ltd.